Good morning, my little ones. Welcome back. I hope you all are great just as I am. I am Sonali ma'am, and yesterday we did numeracy, numbers in order 61 to 70. I hope you all have written it neatly in your notebooks. So today let's do a quick recap of 61 to 70, and then we'll do an activity, and then we will write 61 to 70 numbers in order in our notebooks. So children, let's do a quick recap of what we learnt yesterday. Numbers in order 61 to 70. 61 61, 62 62, 63 63, 64 64, 65 65, 66 66, 67 67, 68 68, 69 69, 70 70. Okay, so let's start with the activity, children. So here I have this beautiful pink glitter paper, and I've got these wonderful colorful butterflies here. So we are going to place the butterflies in order of their number. So let's begin. So first we will start with 61 61. Then we have 62 62. Then we have 63 63. Then we have 64 64. After 64, yes, 65 65. After 65, children, yes, 66 66. Then we have 67 67. After 67, yes, 68 68. Then we have 69 69. After 69, yes, 70 70. So this is our numbers from 61 to 70. So children, now we'll start writing in order numbers 61 to 70. But first we'll start with today's date, which is, so today's date is 1/5.8.2020. Outside the margin line, you will leave 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, and then you will write 6 1 dash 7 0, 61 to 70. Then near the margin line you would make one dot, so we will leave one line, and then underneath that you will write T in one box, O in the other box. Then you make a dot, again you will write T O dot T O dot T O. So you will write TO 4 times. Okay, children. Now we will start with the first number, which is 6 1 61, 6 2 62, 6 3 63, 6 4 64, 6 5 65, 6 6 66, 6 7 67, 6 8 68, 6 9 69, 7 0 70. 6 1 61, 6 2 62, 6 3 63, 6 4 64, 6 5 65, 6 6 66, 6 7 67, 6 8 68, 6 9 69, 7 0 70. Okay, children, so the same way you have to write in all of these three columns of TO, TO, and TO 3 times you will write it. Okay? So children, I hope you all have understood the numbers in order 61 to 70, and please keep revising numbers from 1 to 70 now. Numbers in order 1 to 70. Do your revision at home and your writing practice, and I'll see you again soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.